Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. It's about time to start doing the spring aeration, so I kind of wanted to give you an idea of what exactly an aeration is and why it's beneficial for your lawn. This here is an aerator, and what we do is you can see behind me there's a bunch of tines underneath the aerator. We run this across your lawn. Those tines, they puncture your lawn, the soil in your lawn, and they remove a plug of soil from your lawn. And what this does is it breaks up the soil, it loosens up the soil to allow more airflow down to the root system of your turf, to allow your waterings to be more effective, to be absorbed quicker, and it allows even your fertilization applications to be more effective. If you think about if your soil is very compact, it's going to have a lot of runoff, a lot of washout. It's not going to absorb as quickly as if it was loosened up and kind of broken up. And that's what we're trying to accomplish with an aeration. When it comes to fertilization applications, your fertilizers, as they break down, it's water that takes those nutrients and absorbs them into the soil so that the nutrients can be absorbed into the root system of your turf. So a very compact soil only hinders that and slows that process down. So you want to do an aeration in order to break up that soil, loosen it up to make those feedings more effective. So overall, it's a very good thing to do your lawn. You need to do it at least once per year. It's going to really strengthen the root system of your turf and thus make your lawn overall healthier. If you think of any well-manicured turf, think golf courses, athletic fields, they're all getting multiple aerations per year. So you definitely want to do this at least once per year, if not twice per year. So make plans to do that. If you need any help or have any questions, feel free to let us know. Shoot us a message, comment below, or give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out any way we can. Thanks.